Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. These products can cause chronic inflammation. Be careful. Chronic inflammation in the body can cause even in oncology. Did you know about this? Today we will tell you about what products can cause chronic inflammation in the body and, consequently, cause cancer. So, this list includes fried foods, especially on vegetable oil. Products that contain trans fats and genetically modified organisms. Pasta. White bread, wheat. Alcohol. Food additives, especially gluten. Remember this information and be sure to share it with your friends. After all, preventing the disease is much easier than curing it. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.